Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, and today I have a glam bathroom tour. I know how much you guys loved my bedroom tour that I filmed, and so I wanted to come on here and film a bathroom tour for you guys as well. And today I'm super excited to show you how I organize and decorate my bathroom to make it look luxurious, beautiful, and sparkly as always. This is a little overview of the room, and then I will show you guys exactly what and where I put things in my bathroom. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. Here is an overview of my sinks. As you can see, I have a double vanity, and here I have some really beautiful candlesticks from Hobby Lobby. This picture is actually from Target, the kids section, which I think is so cute in the room. I have a Bath & Body Works soap holder. And in the middle of the vanity, I have a mirror from Homegoods, a little jar with my rings in it. It's almost like a cute little basket. It was actually in the Easter section, but I think it goes amazingly well with my colors. And over here on the edge, I have a flower arrangement that I did get also from Homegoods. The light is from Hobby Lobby and is so glam and nice in the middle of the night to keep on so that I can see in the bathroom. Over here next to the toilet, I have a rug, and I also have a storage unit above the toilet to house extra products and decorations. On the top, I have a really cute pineapple, a picture frame, and a candle from Bath & Body Works. On this shelf, I have all my perfumes in a little tray. I can't fit all of them, but I like to display the ones that I think are very pretty and go with the vibe of the room. Underneath, I have some storage. This is where I keep my extra soap, my extra perfume, vitamins, ponytail holders, masks, all that kind of stuff. And then here is where I'm going to show you what I keep in my cabinets under the sink. This drawer has my hairbrushes. This drawer has my hair dryers and my Revlon styling blow dryer. Under this sink, I keep all of my essentials. I keep my hair products, I keep my tanning lotions, my girl products, everything that I need for daily use. And I keep it in this basket to keep it organized, even though it is a kind of a mess. And in this other side, I keep my towels, my washcloths, and a Bell UV lamp. In this drawer, I have my toothbrush and toothpaste and Q-tips, just the essentials. And in this drawer, I have all my hot tools. Over here, under my picture, I keep my laundry basket. This picture is probably one of the stars of the show. I actually got this on sale at Pier 1. There was a little tiny piece of mirror that was broken off of it, but you can't even tell, and I got it for literally half the price. My shower curtain, I absolutely love. And as you can see, my shower curtain has the cutest little hooks with crystals on them to go with the glam vibe. In my shower, I just keep my hair stuff on this ledge over here. I have been loving this Rusk Deep Shine Platinum shampoo. You guys know I love my Olaplex products, so of course I keep my Olaplex here and my Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. I also keep some bubble bath and some face wash, some regular body wash, and a razor right here on my ledge. This is an overview one more time of the bathroom just so you can see how everything goes together. I really love the colors, the decor. I love how fancy and nice everything looks, and I absolutely love my bathroom. I think it is the perfect space for me and my needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.